I, Pragyan Shrivastava, is here before you with a new topic, relative atomic mass. I hope that you all have watched my previous video of history, language and chemistry also. I have made 3 videos before this video of chemistry. So this is my 4th video of chemistry, and topic I have told you, relative atomic mass, which short form is RAM, relative atomic mass. So let us see the definition. The relative atomic mass or atomic weight. Relative atomic mass or atomic weight. This means that relative atomic mass is also known as atomic weight. So the relative atomic mass or atomic weight of an element is the number of times one atom of the element. Suppose we have to find the relative atomic mass of any element. So the number of atomic weight of that element is the number of times one atom of that element, of the element which we are taking, is heavier than 1/12 times of the mass of an atom of carbon-12. Friends, here we are seeing a new word, carbon-12. Friends, before 1961, we take hydrogen to compare. We are comparing relative atomic mass. We are taking out the relative atomic mass of any element with the comparison of carbon 12 atom. So before 1961, we uses hydrogen. We compare any element with hydrogen. But from 1961, we started to compare any element with carbon-12 atom. So the relative atomic mass or atomic weight, I have told you that relative atomic mass is also known as atomic weight of any element, is the number of times one atom of that element is heavier. कितना heavier than 1/12 times of the mass of an mass of an atom of carbon-12. I have told you that we are comparing any element with carbon-12. Okay, we will study how to take out the relative atomic mass of a compound. So I have taken a compound, cane sugar 612 C12H22O11. Here there are 12 atom of carbon. C represent carbon, 12 atom of carbon, 22 atom of hydrogen and 11 atom of oxygen, or represent oxygen. So we have to take out the relative atomic mass of this compound. But to take out the relative atomic mass of this whole compound, first we have to know what is the relative atomic mass of particular atom of these elements. So for carbon, one atom of carbon weighs 12 AMU, one atom of hydrogen weighs 1 AMU, and one atom of oxygen weighs 16 AMU. So now let us take out the relative atomic mass of this compound. For C12, it is C12. I have told you for one atom it is 12 AMU. So for 12 atom it will be 12 into 12. Then we will add. For one atom of hydrogen it is 1 AMU. For 22 atom it will be 1 into 22. For one atom of oxygen it is 16 AMU. For 11 atom it will be 16 into 11. Okay. AMU. Now let us add 12 into 12, it will be 144. Addition sign. 1 into 22, it will be 22. Then addition sign. 16 into 11, it will be 176. AMU. Now let us add this. 3:42 am. Okay, now we are completed with this topic, relative atomic mass. If you have any problem related to this topic, you can ask in the comment section. You can send your questions in the comment section. Now we have completed with this topic, and now we will study chemical and physical changes from the next